Well, hi there. It's Sunday the 11th of February 2024. I'm just testing out my new camcorder, my new Sony Handycam, which records in 4K. I'm just doing a local walk today around Matlock, so I'm actually doing a recce of a route that I'm hoping to do for one of Lou and Lol's group walks in April. So I'm just sussing out the route that I've planned to do, see how I get on with it. But I just thought whilst I'm doing so, it'd be a good opportunity to just test out my new camcorder. So I'm just in the Lumsdale Valley at the moment. Just going to walk across to Tansley now. Bit murky, but you can see Ryber Castle in the distance, but I will be over there a bit later on in the walk. So this camcorder is an FDR-AX43 camcorder. I was very lucky just before Christmas to have had a little bit of extra money, so I thought I'd treat myself. I don't often do that, but I thought, why not? So this camera, I'm using a cheap monopod, so all the shots I'll be using today are going to be handheld, which will be interesting to see because this new camcorder also has an inbuilt gimbal, so that'll be interesting to see how steady the shots are, and particularly when you zoom in. If you zoom in more on a picture, you see the camera shake more. If you zoom right out, camera shake is less obvious, so that'll be a good experiment in itself. I've also bought myself a new external microphone. This is a Rode microphone. I think it's one that's very popular with filmmakers, and it's also got a good windshield on it. So yeah, it's exciting times testing out this new camera. I'm in Tansley now. Just going to walk through the village, then I cross the main A615 and head over towards Ryber. Great view of Matlock, eh? Okay, well I'm not going down into Matlock itself at the moment. Oh, okay, can you just say that again please? I didn't quite hear you. Yeah, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I'm not going into Matlock quite yet. I'm cutting across towards High Tor now.
What do you need, Ross?
Well, I'm on High Tor now. Wow, you forget how high up it is. Just do not get close to the edge. I can see all the cars on the A6 far below, queuing up between Matlock Bath and Matlock. A bit heck. Okay, let's go and do Giddy Edge. Flippin' heck. Some call this the most dangerous path in the UK. Oh well, there is a handrail here as well if you want to be a bit safer.
Round of the photo.
I'm in Matlock, Bath now, just getting away from the crowds on the main street and just climbing up Home Road. I think this is going to be the hardest climb on today's walk, so I've got to climb right up beyond the Heights of Abraham up to Tinker's Shaft. I'm so glad to have finally reached the top. Oh, I'm in the woods above Heights of Abraham now, but that climb out of Matlock, Bath was knackering, to put it mildly, but as I say, it's worth it for the views that I'm going to get fairly soon. Tinker's Shaft then. Fantastic. And even better, there's no one else here. I've got all to myself. And what a fantastic view you get over Matlock and the surrounding area from here, eh? Look at that. I've joined the Limestone Way now, so I just follow this back down into Matlock, so nearly at the end of the walk. So it's about 8 miles this walk. When I plotted it, it said about 3.5 miles, but I think you've got to allow for that really long climb up from Matlock, Bath. So I'm going to say this walk, to do it comfortably, about 4 hours really. And one final thing with my new camera, one thing I've noticed is that when I turn the camera on, it shows you how much battery power is on there. Now, it's showing a lot less battery power, even though I'm using the same batteries as it did with my previous camcorder. So I'm not sure if that means that it's the 4K that is actually using up more juice, or whether it's the external Rode microphone that's doing that, because the microphone doesn't have any batteries in it, so it basically draws its power from the camcorder battery. So I would guess that probably both the microphone and the 4K footage will draw more power. But anyway, I mean, the amount of footage I've done today, I've still got plenty of battery power, so it's a good experiment. Back in Matlock now then, so about a 5-minute walk home, great stuff. So yeah, nice walk that, nice little recce of the walk that I'm going to lead for Lou and Lol in April, and more importantly, it's been great testing this new camcorder I've got. Be interested to see how it all looks when I get back home and check my footage. So this isn't meant to be one of my professionally edited films, so it's just a rough edit just to check out the new footage, that's all.